I need to mention why this month of July. This month of July is when schools plan their trips, and they have always planned the trips in this month of July. What is special in this year 2026 July is that the nature and the way they were organizing trips were inter-districts. But now most of the trips are of long journeys that can go to any corner of this country. Those who are in Kampala plan journeys up to Moroto, and those ones in Moroto plan journeys up to Kisoro. That disorganizes the transport arrangement in the country. That most of such distances require buses, and these buses are PSVs. These are not PMOs. These are the buses that have routine schedules throughout the year. And so when you hire them, you are hiring buses, and therefore you need to plan and hire the buses that ply that particular route. This should go to the schools that organize these tours, that they should not hire drivers to drive buses who are not on those routes they intend to go to. Secondly, when you get long journeys, your vehicles should be in sound mechanical condition. In sound mechanical condition. And the drivers properly tested, and the pre-trip events, the drivers should rest enough. And along the journeys, it should be planned that they have stopovers. And these are the ones we are now going to emphasize during the time they will lift the suspension on their school trips.